Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use back tap in your iPhone. So just you have to do one setting, and after this setting you have to set a control by which you can tap on a back of your phone. You tap 2 or 3 times, the system will control, and you can order a command, it will done by that. So let's move to the setting. After going to the setting, you have what you have to do. You have to scroll down, and here on the screen there's a lot of option of a setting appear on this page. You have to go to the accessibility because all the procedure is an accessibility. After going there, you have to scroll down. So this is very easily featured. If you want to take a screenshot, but you can easily set screenshot by tapping 3 times or 2 times on the back of your phone, and you can easily get the screenshot or anything you order. So this feature is very useful for iPhone users. So just you have to do, go to scroll down, and here you can see there's an option of touch. You have to press on touch. After press on touch, you have to also scroll down. At the end there's an option of, you can see on a screen, back tap. So this is the option where we can do all the procedure, and you will get to know how you can set back tap in your iPhone. So you can see all these features. You can, by tapping 2 times or 3 times on your back of your mobile phone, you can set any one of, at one time you can only set one feature. So if you selecting one feature, you can only, the command will work on one feature. If you set on camera, then all the feel like only if you tap on your back of your phone, camera will open. So if you touch on screenshot, if you tap on the back 2 times at the same time, it will take screenshot. So this is the procedure how tap double tap works. So if you want triple taps, you have to tap 3 times. So this all setting how it's look like. So don't forget to hit the bell icon, subscribe the channel, and also stay tuned for the more updates.